is Chris Ayers, and today we're going to be talking about the new VI monitor and how we're going to access facility maps. Here, on the left side of my VI monitor, underneath my Enterprise Cameras and Views tab, I have a Map tab. I can click the Maps tab, and this will bring up all of the facility maps that I have permissions to see based on my username and password. I can come in and click one from the left tree here, bring that in place. I can now come in, select one of my other maps that's overlaid onto this map, and get the facility map for that location. I have the ability to hover over the camera to see live video, or if you would like, you can also just click it to bring the camera up. Here in the live window, which shows up automatically, you can resize your images to a 320 by 240 or 640 by 480 image, depending on what your monitor has. You can also come in, view this as a live window pop-up, or access recent history, which is going to be the last 30 seconds of recorded playback. In addition to be able to resize what I'm looking at here at the live window, you can also come into the facility map ribbon up top and make some changes. So here under navigation, previous map will be for these nested maps like I have in place. I can click back, go back to my map here of the city of Houston, bring up my other map, and then hover over cameras, and then go back and forth as the case may be. I also have the ability in a specific map here with the map size to increase the zoom or decrease the zoom as I see fit based on what I want to see here. I can also stretch this to just have it fit the whole screen. If you select font options over here, this will change the font that I'm looking at real time on the map itself in the display. I can change things like the color of the map. I can change the size of the icons themselves so I can get a much bigger word on the screen, or if I would like, a much smaller word on the screen for my camera names. Here under views, I now have 3 views built into my facility map. One is the live window with which we just looked at earlier, where I can access a live window pop-up or recorded playback for the last 30 seconds. I can also hide that. I can go into a 4-camera view, which allows me to have either horizontal or vertical views. And then I'll notice here there are 4 camera displays. As I continually click on cameras, it will begin to show those 4 different cameras. As I keep clicking on them, it will keep overwriting based on what I'm looking at. Does need to be a new camera based on the 4 that I'm looking. But as I said earlier, this can be vertical or this can be horizontal. You also have the ability now to add in Axis View. Axis View is going to partner with our 2-way integration partners for access control. For every door that I import, I'm going to associate a camera with it. This will allow me to bring up a door. It will bring up the camera associated with it here, but I'll be able to click on the doors on my facility map and bring up the information. Start seeing the live feed from the camera, see the door itself, and then also get information about the last time an entry occurred or the last time an alarm occurred. You also have the ability from here to select one of those doors on the map and put it into one of 5 different viewpoints: admit, schedule, unlock, lock, or lockdown.